Welcome back. Well, the good news is we have a cool front on the way. The other good news, we're getting much needed rain. The bad news, maybe some strong and gusty winds, and we've had them already in portions of Acadiana. More on that in just a bit. So let's get over to the Keywell. We're watching that front, but it is generating showers and storms way out ahead of it. And again, the front's still off to the northwest. So we're going to see more activity than what we're just seeing this afternoon. Early this evening, that's going to push on through. Maybe redevelopment later tonight. We'll show you that on the models. But right now we have strong storms bisecting Acadiana from the northeast to the southwest, from Cameron on northeastward. Jennings, you're going to see another heavy storm pushing on through. Gusty winds, very gusty winds with some of these storms, but all the severe storm warnings have been dropped. We had a tornado warning for a cell that was by the Beggs area. That kind of fell apart, but very heavy rains right now. Gusty winds, Opelousas, down through the Church Point area, down through Iota, and then just north of Crowley. These storms, especially this one in northern Acadia Parish. This one's looking pretty intense right here, right by the Church Point area, heading for Mere. Then eventually it will be pushing into Lafayette Parish. But it has been weakening, so maybe not as boisterous as what we saw a little bit earlier this afternoon. And speaking of boisterous storms, this video outside of the Broussard area, Canefield flattened by more than likely a microburst. Meteorologist Joby Lagrange getting this video, her daughter taking this video, and again showing just this one field. So it was a very small microburst. I went and looked at the velocity data, didn't see much, but 40-50 mile per hour winds, maybe even a little bit stronger, as showers just dumped down and brought strong and gusty winds with them. Hopefully this cane is resilient and will come back up in time for harvest season. So thanks, Joby, for that. As we get into the infrared satellite imagery, you can see the storms, how they were firing up earlier today. There were colder cloud tops, more intense storms, but still nonetheless, these are pretty hefty storms. Gulf of Mexico, awfully quiet. It's going to stay that way for a while longer. Meanwhile, we have two weather systems, could be double trouble. Tropical storm Umberto, and then a new system that could become Imelda down the line. And of course, we have Hurricane Gabrielle in the North Atlantic. This is heading for Portugal, and there is hurricane warnings in effect for the Azores. So these two systems are probably going to develop. This one already a tropical storm this afternoon. Disturbance 94L is going to head closer to the U.S., develop over by the Bahamas, and we might see interactions with Umberto here. Umberto, that's going to be southwest of Bermuda, as a strong Category 2, 110 mile an hour winds. That's just shy of Cat 3. So Bermuda's going to have to watch that, and maybe this, and the East Coast will have to watch 94L as well. Nothing coming toward the Gulf. So showers and storms. Notice the graph model redeveloping activity overnight tonight, so there could be more locally heavy rainfall. We'll take the rain. Don't think we'll see a whole lot in the way of severe weather, but we'll watch it. And then by this time tomorrow, front moving on through. We still get into the mid-80s tomorrow, but we'll be down into the mid-60s come Friday morning. And that's your temperature forecast as we go through. We see our temperatures holding mostly in the 70s, low to mid-80s tomorrow, and then we'll start to feel the cooler air going into Friday morning, even cooler as we head into Saturday morning, 2, 3, 4 degrees, even cooler there. 72 overnight tonight. Showers and thunderstorms could redevelop at any time during the overnight hours, especially after 2, 3 in the morning and toward daybreak tomorrow, as indicated by our model data. Showers, any showers end first thing in the morning. Then we'll go to partly sunny skies or a mixture of clouds and a little sun in the afternoon. 83 the projected high. Friday is going to be a gorgeous day. Beautiful weekend on tap. Those overnight lows, though, gradually moderate, as do the daytime highs. And we'll keep the upper 80s to near 90 for all of next week and keep it mostly dry as well, but at least we're not talking about the tropics. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.